So hello everyone, today we're comparing two popular 3D printers, the Creality Ender-3 and the Prusa Mini Plus. So let's see which one is the better fit for your 3D printing needs. So first up, let's talk about the build volume. So the Ender-3 boasts a larger build volume, allowing for the printing of the bigger models, while on the other hand, the Prusa Mini Plus has a more compact build volume, suitable for smaller projects and desktop printing. Now let's talk about the performance. So the Ender 3S1 offers a more good print quality and a decent level of precision. It's known for its value and has a large and active community for support and upgrades. The Prusa Mini Plus is renowned for its exceptional print quality and out-of-the-box use, thanks to its precision engineering and advanced features like auto-bed leveling and magnetic build surface. Now let's talk about the ease of use and assembly. Now, the Ender 3S1 requires some assembly and might require more tinkering and adjustments to achieve the optimal performance. The Prusa Mini Plus, on the other hand, is known for its ease of use and assembly, making it a better beginner-friendly option. So let's talk about the price range of these printers. The Ender 3S1 generally offers a more budget-friendly option compared to the Prusa Mini Plus, making it a popular choice for those on a tighter budget. Now, ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. The Ender 3S1 is a more strong contender for those who seek a larger build volume and a more budget-friendly option. Now, the Prusa Mini Plus, on the other hand, is also an excellent choice for users who prioritize ease of use, exceptional print quality, and a reliable out-of-the-box experience. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparison reviews.